Hey artists, I'm Lindsay from Art Within. Here are a couple super simple holiday card ideas that you can make with supplies you probably already have laying around the house. My favorite is the crayon resist and watercolor technique. This uses the wax from a regular old crayon and you paint over it with watercolor to reveal your design. First, gather some watercolor paper or sketchbook paper and fold it into a card. You'll also need watercolor paint, a paintbrush, and some regular crayons. Step 1. Draw a design with your crayon and go over your lines a few times to make them kind of thick. Be sure to press hard with your crayon. Step 2. Paint over your drawing with the watercolor paint and watch how your design is revealed. It's kind of like magic. The wax from the crayon resists the watercolor paint. Try this technique using different colors of paint and different designs. Your Christmas card or holiday card is completely unique to you. Try turning your card sideways or blending different colors of paint. Whatever one you like best, this is your design. You can also add a little "Made with Love" design on the back of your card so your loved one knows that it was made just by you. Another simple idea is to cut out any shape you want, like a snowman or a Christmas tree. You can get messy and do some finger painting or use a Q-tip to outline the shape. Once you remove your cutout, it reveals your cool design. For this idea, you'll need construction paper, acrylic paint, paintbrush or a Q-tip, and some scissors. Step 1. Draw a shape and cut it out with your scissors, like a snowman or a Christmas tree. Step 2. Place your shape on the front of your card and either hold it or tape it in place. Step 3. Use your fingers, a Q-tip, or a paintbrush to make lots of little dots of color all around your shape. Step 4. Remove the cutout shape to reveal your design underneath. You can use paint to add any extra designs you want. This is your unique holiday card. You can also add a personalized message to the inside of your card. Happy holidays! Try this technique using different shapes and colors of paper. My favorite is using dark paper with white paint, like this example of a snowman. I would love to see what kind of holiday cards you design. Tag us at Create Art Within on Facebook or Instagram. I can't wait to see what you create.